A card? What?
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. We are playing.
Oh, these are power-ups.
Ah.
Hi,
Alright.
everyone.
Oh, we
I'm
take the
here with
revolver.
Rightful Hook. Is it your turn? Yes, it is. Wait. Don't you have to load it? Yeah, load a bullet in. Waiter! I need a drink, love. I need a drink, love. Love, a drink. I don't know why I changed accents. Shoot yourself, mate. It's Russian roulette. In Russian roulette, you shoot yourself. See?
Oh, the more you shoot yourself, you can shoot other people for the money. I see.
And we can actually play this two-player because it has AI. No one is hurt. Give me that. Oh, it's my turn.
You grab the revolver and you reload it.
Yeah, I know. Open cylinder? How? Can I shoot
do you have
people?
money? Do you have money?
No. Oh my god. Bro, the heartbeat, man. I'm money now. I count money. What do we do with the money? Bullshit. No!
He got motherfucking gun. Yeah, motherfucking.
Bro, what's Joe Reed doing? Look at this guy. How?
Yeah.
He's dead.
One shot.
I never got my drink from the waiter. Let's restart. Okay, welcome everybody, it's my turn. Oh. Right, it was my turn. Did you see the arrow?
Why?
Hey, Bobby.
Yes.
Turn around. It's my turn. Okay. I'm gonna get a bucket head. How do I use it? Oh, do you need money to use the things? How's it
Probably.
work?
Just use the gun.
But how do I... Oh, you put it in the middle to use it.
You're protected
shit.
now.
What the... There we go. No, hold on. There we go. Can I not shoot other people?
Without money,
No.
you need money. You need money.
I get an extra life anyway, so this ain't gonna work.
Okay,
When I pull up to the club... What do I look like? I've got a suit on. Ow! What do I look like?
You look like a posh bloke.
Ew. Suits me, darling. Give me the gun! Oops. He dropped the gun.
You can shoot her. You can shoot her now.
Oh, this is useful. Spin the revolver. Fuck! It's just liar's bar, really, except you're not really lying. You're just at a bar. Go on, love. Go on, love! Nah! Playing that game?
Oh my god! Quick shooter!
Your head is on the chair.
Oh!
I win! It's kind of repetitive, don't you think? This was not worth £2. I mean, a game like this for £2 is not that bad.
We need more people.
Bobby Ray. I mean, leak! I just leaked! Yeah, Bobby Ray. He's the only person I can think of.
Should we go back to the call?
No, let's record a little. We'll do 2 more rounds.
2 more.
2.
Collect the fucking revolver.
Oh wait, does Buckethead stay on until I lose it?
Yes.
You have to put the card in the middle.
Nah, no Buckethead, mate. No
You're a
Buckethead.
twat, mate.
No.
You can't even shoot. I can shoot you though. Oh, now it's back. Thanks.
Yeah, you need to...
Don't you dare! Excuse you. Stop it!
You're still alive. Yes, you got hit twice.
Don't like him. I killed him first. I've got 4 coins. Don't you fucking dare. Do not even.
No, you can't. No, you can't do that.
I'll keep doing this. I swear to God. Don't you? Oh God. Die! Aw. Where are we getting these coins from? Hell?
Yeah.
Oh, is it still loaded?
Yes.
Oh, where's the bullet?
That you're aiming. You need to spin it, thank you. There. Spin it.
What? Give me it. No, what the f- Oh, all I did was spin it and then it goes to you.
Here you go, now again. You can't do it. You have to shoot yourself now.
Don't adjust your hair, you bitch.
You have to shoot yourself now.
Don't work though. I don't die! Except for that one time when it... Whoa!
Instantly!
I hate women. I hate women.
Fuck!
I hate women now. I didn't mean that you
Guys, don't quote that, guys, quote
I
that.
swear to God. I swear to God. God. Bye bye.
Bye
Mozzarella.
bye. Mozzarella.
Shit. Take it, don't you dare. Good. What are you looking at? Where's me drink? Yeah, exactly. Okay, last round. Last round. Share, divide the money between all players. I'm gonna put on a bucket head. Like after people get money.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell you anything.
You know I've got a card that just, you know. Do it.
Nothing happens. It's first round, no one dies. Okay, maybe someone dies.
Why am I always that?
Imposters.
Can we do one more round? Let's do a round. Let's do more round. Wait, why don't we
I
join?
woke up in a new Bugatti.
Why don't we just join the call with the others, but then we go an app?
Yeah, they won't be able to hear them. We'll just look schizophrenic.
Yeah, fair enough.
It'd be more convenient if you were sat there, so we could do like a one-on-one. Beach had to be a knobhead, don't you? Why do you two always die? He barely ever dies.
Joe Reed is too powerful.
Take the fucking gun, mate. Whoa!
Instantly! He bought a Quicksilver!
Bitch. I don't die.
Let's do
How many times have I won now?
Let's do a few
How many
more
times have I won?
Shut up. Let's do a few more rounds.
Okay. The bullet's rolling away. Bro, imagine buckshot roulette in this game.
I know, right?
Insert a second bullet. I'm gonna use that late game.
Okay.
How do you open it? Oh, you just... We're playing with a toy gun. How are people dying?
It's a fake dying with. Okay.
I didn't
You! Mother! I need content! I need content! I need
both
content.
rounds.
Dude,
You're like the Mully. You're like Mully.
I need content.
Oh, you're a pussy.
I need content, Nathan. I need fucking content.
I'm gonna aim directly for you now.
No.
Don't adjust your hair at this table. Serious game.
Oh
or-
my god.
What is that? What? Whoa!
Well,
What are you two recording? You got footage, eh? Give me that. Even is this shit. Look at it.
restart you.
Okay, let's not let you die. Do you have bucket head? Put it on immediately.
No.
I'll put it on for you. Please. I'm praying to God.
To protect yourself, you're not being able to.
Please do not let Bob Lewis 105014 die. Also, everybody who's watching this, go stalk that account and message him constantly, and don't do any of that. Where's my blunt over there? Give me that back. What, bro? Give me it back. Give me... It's through my wall. My wall's here. Give me it back now.
Nathan, it's your go.
Oh yeah, it's my turn.
Good.
Give me my card!
Sit it back down.
Sorry, I get very heated. $1. I count money. The woman's dead. No offense.
We need some more
You
people.
point that shit at me. Good. Die. We need the content creators alive. Die, bro. What are you? Are you a ranger? Let's see how good you handle this. Uh-uh. You can't shoot them, can you? Oh, that protects you?
Yeah.
Shit, I thought that means you can't shoot off that. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Thank
Good.
you.
Good boy! Hold on. I need to put on... Hold on. I'm putting on a lip balm. Where'd it go? My lips are so fucked up, you know?
Hold on.
So torn, bro.
You'll go. Ah. God! Fucking damn it!
That's all I heard before you died.
I need content.
Die, aw. Hold on. Fuck, where'd that go?
So what are you doing?
Putting the lid back on my lip balm. You know, most of my viewers are UK.
Makes sense.
And I sent you that screenshot. Most people find me from the homepage. Yippee!
Mine's from Shorts.
What was that? Mine's from shorts. Oh, did the devil get awakened in your soul? I for once.
You could have survived.
Welcome, welcome,
Nathan,
welcome.
Nathan, I've got the most powerful deck, you know.
Do you? I didn't do it. Let's just play a normal game, Russian roulette.
You're not shooting though. Hey.
I keep forgetting to spin it. So I just put a bounty on your head, by the way. Only everyone can fire at you. Or just open the fucking revolver.
How?
It's bouncing! Flick it!
How?
Give me it. Give me that. I'm so sorry, everybody. I know we're here to play some Russian roulette. You're even disappointing that guy over there.
How do I check this?
I didn't even notice that guy playing piano.
How do I check?
Look down the barrel, maybe? Like, seriously?
No.
Maybe point it at someone. Oh, maybe? I don't know. Just shoot, bro. We're all here waiting.
Oh, the waste.
Margot Levenin. What? Spin. Imagine that kills her. I thought she just put down the revolver and it skipped it.
What, father? After I'm done playing the VR?
Well, the bounty's off your head.
Shoot her.
Fuck's sake. I was honestly gonna shoot one of you guys too. You have to put the revolver down and then the card. From the world I smoke, bitch. What the fuck? Did you just turn into a machine gun?
No! Sadly.
I'm getting a camera angle here. Hold on. Pick it up.
Whew. What are you doing there, buddy?
Getting a camera angle. You finally won and didn't die in the first round, even though I put a bounty on your head. Sorry guys, I dropped this. Yike. What have I got? Split money. How would I divide if everyone has 1? I can't divide 1. I guess that's 4. I don't know. You're gonna live anyway, shut the fuck up. Do I spin it or do I just shoot?
Shoot.
Oh, you pussy!
I would've died!
Oh, yeah, okay, fair, okay. You need content.
I do need content. I swear to God, if you shoot at me, you're weak. You're weak if you shoot at me. Shoot at him.
But why are you still complaining? She pointed it at her own head and then you went, if you shoot it at me... I'm just unwinding, bro. Alright, give me all your money.
You just gave me more money.
No, look, everyone's got 1. It
No.
divides it.
No, I've got 2.
No, that's 1 for her, 1 for him, 1 for me, 1 for you.
Make this 2.
None. Oh, fuck. And no, there's none! No! Kill me. Didn't even work. Ow, headbutted my knee. How does that even work?
I don't know.
I'm guessing you point it at yourself or someone and then it shows. What?
What the?
You can do that? How did you do that?
I think that was a card.
He went... He didn't play a card, did he?
Did he?
I wish I had the visual card. Did he?
God aim it.
Oh, I have to shoot myself.
No one's died here.
You're not gonna get this. W play! Double play! W! Coward, was it? Oh, you skip your turn.
Mate, good reason.
W play! Now it's just the 2 of us. This YouTube homepage isn't big enough for the 2 of us.
Nah. Shoot yourself.
Good old
Shoot yourself for there. Shoot yourself if you want good content. Shoot yourself if you want good content. Shoot yourself if you want good content.
Fuck, I could have shot myself. You know what? No. Oh, I was gonna throw it. Kill me. I'm relaxing. Shit. I might have saved myself though, you don't know.
What up?
Guess what? I ain't no pussy. Now I get to shoot you twice.
Ah!
Didn't even have to shoot you twice.
Ah!
Shall we keep going?
Yes, more content the better. And guys, by the way, guys, subscribe to Rightful Hook and X Nathan. Is that your name? X Nathan.
It was going to be Cyan Guy originally. I talked about this in another video. And then I went, oh shit, that's took already.
Shoot yourself if you're gay.
Right, everyone?
Shoot yourself if you're gay.
Shoot yourself if you're gay.
Do it.
Let's play some Russian roulette. Oh, I've skipped turn, double threat, and spin drum. I mean, no I don't. I shouldn't be telling you this. Pussy!
We
Pussy!
both are. We both are.
No, she is. She used bucket hat.
Look at my hat.
There's no bucket on your head.
Look at my head.
How? She didn't play a card. You saw that. She didn't play a card and she went in the air. If you do this, I swear to God. I swear to God. It should keep your player character just like that. You're protected. She's protected.
Good joke.
What? I put 2 bullets in. Does that mean I can't shoot twice? Is there just 2 bullets in it?
No, that
So
means
high chance of death. Yeah. I mean, that means you won't have to reload it again in a second. When you die. You ain't got a card, mate. You just put a bounty on me for no reason. Do not! Do not! Good. Good girl. I hate myself.
Bounty, come on, Bounty. No! Why do they always trying to kill themselves? Don't make it more content for me.
Whoa! Oh. Imagine if I died just then. I skipped everyone killing me, but I killed myself. Yo! Rivalry, bro.
He aimed at you under the table! He aimed at you under the table!
What do you mean, no? Look! Hello! High five.
Nathan, he aimed at you under the table!
He went...
Really? What are you doing?
I have a quest for you. Don't kill me.
You looking to see? Oh.
You gotta have the element.
You have down the element of rat.
They need to keep your body just like this.
Come on.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby.
Go.
Don't do it! Oh, she did.
If they both kill themselves somehow.
Guess what I've got? Guess what I've got?
What?
Guess what? Guess what? Sorry, I got a hair. Guess what's on this card?
Bucket.
It should make it so you can only shoot that person. Like you can't shoot anyone else for yourself, it has to be that person. Why do I? Oh, we each have designated ones. You have that, I have this. You have that, you have that. You're gonna die.
I already am.
No, him. This is my game, bro. I brought us all here. Where you going, man?
1 second.
Fuck this. Shit,
Bro, I accidentally just showed my room. I'm lucky I'm hiding. I'm lucky I'm hiding under. I'm in.
Fuck this shit, I'm jerking off. Aw.
What the hell's Cliff? I don't know what the hell the food is. I'm coming back.
Bro said, fuck this. Guess what? Guess what? I invited us all here. Okay? So don't you dare. It's so rude whilst I'm talking. So, anyway. That one strict teacher. Don't you fucking dare have a revolver. Why do you get to load it? I want to be loaded.
I'm gonna actually sit down. Yeah!
That's marvellous.
No card? No bitches?
This is nerfed. What happens if I... Oh. fuck? How does that work? Point it at someone else, maybe? Can you not see? Oh, is that how it works? The thingy opens up?
I can't tell. I don't know how that works.
Yeah, my most viewed video was the one of the tactical assault video.
Mine wasn't.
Mine was my update one. And I went, oh look, this is the update.
I would recommend you play a good card next time.
Me?
Yeah.
Don't tell me what to do. Oh.
No, how dare you throw me?
I invited us all here, man. I bought you tickets to this place. How? She didn't play a card. You saw that. Was there a way to trick it?
You
How's it work?
You accidentally shot yourself.
No, I didn't. Oh, did I? Well, it's not going to work if it's at your throat, is it, mate? Yeah, you've got no things, you have to do it. You're poor, you're poor, you're poor, you're... Stop it. Fuck.
Data put...
Bitch. Don't ever
Hey,
threaten me.
Nathan. Do you still have the bucket? You still don't have the bucket still, god damn it.
No, it's a good thing. That means you can kill me in one hit instead of two. But I don't die, we know that.
You don't have the bucket anymore.
I killed him in one shot. You've never killed me, it's been these guys.
You don't have a bucket.
Yeah, I know. But
Yeah.
guess what? I don't fucking die. See?
So you're not gonna play a card?
Nope. I'm not gonna die. There needs to be a lies bar edition of this, honestly. 3 queens. Give me my card back. Thank you. I figured out how it works. You just shoot at the sky.
Is that how it
Only
works?
if it's a live bullet it works, I think. If she dies straight away. I think it only works if it's a live bullet. Oh no, it worked, see?
You see the
Why does it work now?
I think it
You
always
have to get
did.
really high.
Yeah.
You have to get really high like I am right now. Because I'm smoking. Well. Oh. How does that take both my coins? You did it for me. How does that take both my coins? I've never shot you, so do not even dare. Good. See, I had 2 coins, I shot you, and then it took that. Don't even. You know I don't die, bitch. Don't even try it.
I think the
Fuck.
more coins you have, the more chance it will kill them.
Like that. I don't lose, baby! I'm on a win streak! Oh, I have to check drum. See where the bullet is. I'll try it on my turn. Oh my god, that's so unlucky. Look at her little hat flying down. I thought because there's 2 of us, it'd be you there, me there, and the table would be empty. Are you Are you dead?
No.
My man's lying in a coffin.
No, my head hurts.
It's at the top position? Well, that means I'm gonna die! Oh, it shows you in the middle, where the bullet is. And I would... And I... You can only play 1 card. Goodbye.
Oh.
The first
I
time I've
see.
died, bro. The first time I've died in this game. Right, now I get to be cameraman. Buckethead. No
You
cards.
asshole. Hey, sir. Sir, guess what? Nah.
Shoot yourself. Young man, kill yourself.
How are you gonna cancel the car?
The car? Let me cancel your insurance. You win!
Yo, I know what I know how to shoot in the sky now. You need money.
Oh, that's what the other bits of money is for then.
Yeah. A demon.
Give me it.
Shoot
I'm
yourself.
gonna load it.
Shoot yourself. Don't listen to me, YouTube.
Thank you. I just took it out of his hand. Does this only last for my round? I shouldn't have wasted that, should I? Pussy.
Don't care. I need money.
Do you have the C card?
Not yet.
Die. I told you, bro. I always make the
She
calls
always
here.
dies first.
He's not gonna die. He's not gonna die.
He
See?
dies.
And guess what?
Get dropped then.
Neither am I, see? You... let me speak to the spirits. No, you won't, 'cause you'll shoot me like a pussy. You won't die. You... What? Why do they pick it up, put it back down? Where is it? Where? Okay, see, he didn't die, I called it. Now I've got to reload it, you're such a prick. Joe. Joe Mama. Fucking... I need to kill myself after that joke.
Bye-bye, world.
You're gonna live. That's what I love, like, in game... Excuse you? People in games always, like, make their final speeches and then it just doesn't go off and then... Fuck. See, it wastes both coins, I had 2 there. If you shoot me, again, I'm gonna suck your cock. What? He got angry.
Coward. You can't. Oh.
God has failed me on this wretched day. Now I get to be cameraman again. Yay!
Yo, send me.
He got angry. He keeps getting angry. He's
Send me a quest photo after.
Photo?
Yeah, I need a thumbnail.
Oh, wait until I'm alive. I'm gonna take one with, like, the gun in hand. You're gonna look at me. You're, like, scared as I pointed at you. Okay. She gets to... Please, nobody die. I need a thumbnail. Don't die. Don't die. Good. You, please. My brother in Christ. Please. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna point at you. You just, like, do this. Bobby. Thumbnail. Okay, hold on. Let me get the camera ready, actually. Okay, I think that looked good. Let me check. It looked okay, yeah. I think it'll be fine. Young man, kill you! This game actually runs really well whilst recording too. You can't just go, no. I know you. You've got no coins, mate.
Mate, no, I was doing a thumbnail.
Oh.
Oh my god, he put his hands up at the perfect time.
You should have pointed it at me.
No, but that was...
Thumbnail. Did you get one already?
Yeah. Coward.
Bro, this bitch is so low quality. Look at her titties. Oh, she's dead now. I keep on feeling her hair, like, on my mouth.
This is the last round, I think.
What'd you say?
Last round, motherfucker. Nah, you threatened me. Give me that.
Oh, he shot the air. I thought he shot me.
Is this the last round? You don't want to waste it because you can't kill me. Okay.
I really wish both didn't show up. This looks stupid for my recording. Can you lean a bit more forward? Trying to get a good shot. There. Bro, who else is gonna shoot him? That was a waste anyway.
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of today's video.
No!
Bye-bye
No! Give me the gun! Give me the gun! Give me it! Give me!
now.
Bye guys.